Hello guys, this is TRADEBESPITS. For those who follow our channel, we trade Apple every day. We give us our level. Today we're gonna talk about the market today, and also we're gonna look at some analysis of some stock. So for today, we're gonna look into Apple, Tesla, Nvda, and probably a few little more. So we have 5 stocks we look at today. So let's get into it. This is Apple right now. Okay guys, so Apple went all the way 251, 252. It did went all the way to the 253 level, guys. So 53, pretty much what we did have today. What I'm looking at right now is Apple probably continue to down. The market is actually on its downtrend, so we could actually see him thinking all the way down. Now the question is, what level are we going to? I would believe that we could actually see a 250.31 level. Definitely will probably break that 250.150 level and probably see a 250. Now lower than that, we'll probably see 249.50 all the way to that 248 level. But for now, we could see a 250 level on Apple, probably 250.49. And if you have to go lower, I would believe a 248 level. Now Apple could be bouncing back and going back up. We could see a 254, 255 level, and that's pretty much for Apple right now. Now let's go to the next stock. This is Tesla. Now guys, this is Tesla looking kind of still bearish, guys. So I kind of like the setup that I see right now. I wouldn't say that we do have kind of have descending triangle here, but one thing to focus right down here is this bound level, guys. So we could actually be going all the way. We were 421 after our Tesla went to 412. So I believe, guys, breaking this level of 412, this was 417 level. Now the Tesla is at 412 after hour, guys. So after hour with Tesla, we could probably go all the way here. Let's talk about this level here. We could see Tesla going all the way to that 400 level, and probably we could see the 490, 480 level for Tesla, because he actually had a big move from 447 all the way to that 410. So 400 level to 490, probably 480 could be one thing for Tesla. Rejecting, I will say Tesla could go all the way again to that I will say Tesla could go all the way here up to that 425, breaking above. We could see 430, but the market look bearish, so we could see a lower on the 400, probably 490 or 80. Yeah, so that's for Tesla, guys. So next one, we're gonna talk about Nvda, guys. So Nvda is after market at 136. The stock going lower, we could probably see 134.75 on Nvda. Could it go lower than that? Yes, probably 133 level. That's probably what I have for Nvda. Lower than that, maybe 132, but I will be going on the level of 134 all the way to that 133 level. We could see 133 upper level. Nvda can give up back. It went all the way to that 140 level today, so we could go back to that one, go back on Nvda to the 138 level, and then see that 140 level and probably breaking above. But as the market stay bearish, we'll probably thinking about like downside level on 130, 134 level all the way to that 133, guys. So our next stock will, all right, PLTR, Appl, TLTR. This is the next stock, guys. So 76 level is the level that we do have for Palantir right now. The stock will be going lower as is hit today. The stock was at went all the way to that 79 level. Yeah, so 79 level above and went all the way to 76 after market. 76 30 lower level, we could see that 75, 78, and the stock will be going all the way to the 73 level. That's the level that I have for 73 level. 75.41, probably see a 73 level for Palantir. If we do reject, Palantir could go all the way to probably reject all the way. We could see it again in the 80s, 80 level all the way to 81 level, guys. That's what I have for Palantir right now. And next stock will be, alright guys, this is Googl. Googl will sell the 210 level, then we are at 190 now. Today we saw a level of 193, and then we went all the way down to that 189, went back up all the way to 190. After market we are 190.53. Googl can actually go back to that 189, breaking lower. We could see that 187 level on Googl now. Alright, so guys, 188 for Googl, 189 for Googl, going lower, breaking above 193 level. Probably see the 196 level on Googl at this point, guys. So if the market keep being bearish, we definitely will see that 188. We could see the 188 level, probably lower up to the 185 level is possible with Googl. So those are the five stock that we're watching for this week. For those who watch our channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, leave some comment, guys. So, and also for those watching it, we do have Appl trading every day, where we look about analysis of Appl. So just be aware of that, and just be watchful on that. Subscribe, and let's continue to trade. Until next time, guys.